I am Martijn in het Veld from the Climate Neutral Group. I'm a carbon strategy advisor, so I help companies reducing their carbon footprint. That's what I do. And I was project leader of the research project on researching the environmental benefits of rental.
My name is Leonardo Verkooyen. I'm the carbon footprint specialist at Climate Neutral Group. And I'm here as part of the team that carried out the research project for the ERA.
I am Marijn Bijleveld from CE Delft in the Netherlands. CE Delft performs environmental research and helps companies with formulating their environmental policy. And my specialty is life cycle assessment and associated research related to resources and products. My part of the presentation was about the use of rental equipment and then the environmental impact of that, so the carbon footprint.
In the presentation we presented our first conclusions, and that is that rental obviously has the potential to save a lot of carbon dioxide and to be positive for the environment. So that's what we presented, and what we presented was the calculation tool that we built during this research period.
This is relevant because in the next 10 years, as a global economy, we have to reduce our carbon emissions by 50% if we want to reach a net zero carbon world in 2050 to avoid the worst effects of climate change. So every single actor in society has a role to play in this, even the construction industry. So I think it's good that we are all becoming aware of these issues, and that we can make small steps to reach that long-term goal.
I think it's great convention. The people that were there are all decision makers, which makes it that more interesting. The topics are very actual. Sustainability was the main topic, and it's something that is on top of my mind, but on top of a lot of people others' mind as well.
The topics of the conference deal with the number of challenges that all these actors are facing. So I think it's interesting to see the different conclusions and the inspirations that lead to the group thinking as a whole. How can we move forward? What are the challenges, and what can we do to solve the challenges of the coming years?
I think the main takeaway is that the whole group of rental companies and associates know that sustainability is a hot topic, and they all want to contribute and to work on that.
The convention was very interesting for me because I finally got to meet a lot of people which I spoke on the phone with and had an interview with. So yes, and a lot of people were there. So that was exciting for me, and also it was good to hear the feedback on the research that I did for the European Rental Association.
The main takeaway from the convention is inspiration, and I think it's on a number of issues that every company will have to be thinking about. How do you survive in a competitive market, and how can I gain that extra advantage while also solving the problem and not contributing to the problem. So we're stuck in between the sword and the wall sometimes, between surviving and not, but you also cannot survive in a world that you are destroying. So I think it's good that we're thinking together on how to have a sustainable growth.
It was a great pleasure to be at the convention, to see everybody being involved in the environmental and the sustainability issue, and it was great meeting everybody, and I hope that this research that we did will be taken further from here.
To thank the organizers, thank ERA for the opportunity to come speak here. To share the important issues that we are dealing with, also to hear the important issues that they are dealing with, and for the great experience.
Thank you.